If citations in Microsoft Word feel confusing, this will make them simple. In this video, we'll learn how to choose a citation style, add sources, insert citations, manage them, use placeholders, and build a bibliography without typing everything manually. First, go to the References tab. Near the middle of the ribbon, open the Style drop-down. This is where we choose the citation format for the whole document. That could be APA, MLA, Chicago, or another style available in Word. Set this first because Word uses this choice for both the in-text citations and the bibliography. Now let's insert the first citation. Place the cursor exactly where the citation should appear. Then click Insert Citation and choose Add New Source. In the source box, choose the source type first. That might be a book, website, journal article, or report. Then fill in the details, like author, title, year, and publisher. Click OK and Word inserts the citation for us. The best part is that Word stores that source, so we can reuse it later. Now let's add another citation using a source that is already saved. Click Insert Citation again. This time, choose the source from the list. Word inserts it immediately. That means we do not need to type the same source details again and again. If something looks wrong, go to Manage Sources. This is where we can edit, delete, and review saved sources. So if an author name is misspelled, the year is wrong, or the title needs updating, fix it here. That is much better than manually editing every citation in the document. Sometimes we know a source is needed, but we do not have all the details yet. Word can handle that too. Go to Insert Citation and choose Add New Placeholder. Give the placeholder a simple name. Now we can keep writing and replace it later with the full source details. Once the sources are added, creating the bibliography is the easy part. Place the cursor where the list should appear. Then go to Bibliography on the References tab. Choose Bibliography, References, or Works Cited. Word builds the list automatically, and if the sources change later, the list can be updated. A few quick tips make this much easier. Choose the citation style early. Make sure the source type is correct. Use Manage Sources instead of editing citations by hand. Replace placeholders before finishing the document. And let Word generate the bibliography instead of typing it manually. After Word helps us create citations and a bibliography, OnStyle can help us check whether everything is linked, complete, and consistent. Go to the OnStyle tab, click Validation, and choose an inspection group. To make it easier, we created a custom citations group for this demonstration. You can create custom inspection groups based on your preferences. OnStyle scans the document and lists issues in the inspection results pane. Here are the main citation-related checks that are especially useful. That's the faster way to insert citations in Microsoft Word and then validate them with OnStyle. Try it with one source, one citation, and one bibliography entry in your own document right away. That is the easiest way to remember the process. Here are some of the most useful checks related to citations. For citation linking, it can detect issues like citation cross-reference target mismatch, where a citation points to the wrong reference, or missing citation hyperlink and missing citation cross-reference, where no link is present at all. It also flags partial links, where only part of a citation is clickable. These checks make sure readers can easily navigate from a citation to the correct reference. For references and bibliography, OnStyle identifies incomplete entries, such as missing reference author or incorrect or missing reference year. It also detects structural issues like incorrect reference section or reference section order issue, as well as formatting problems like invalid reference paragraph. This helps keep the reference list complete and consistent. Once issues are found, OnStyle provides built-in correction options. Instead of fixing everything manually, you can apply suggested fixes, update formatting, and correct links and references all directly from the results panel. This can save a lot of time, especially in large documents. Word helps you create citations. OnStyle helps you validate and fix them at scale. Together, they give you both speed during writing and accuracy before finalizing the document. Save time when authoring documents with OnStyle's 150 auto checks and fixes. Visit OnStyle's website and try it for free now.